Your heart is beating fast. Your mouth wants to speak, but no sound comes out. You know the words, but fear is louder. This story is about that moment, that small, silent moment, the moment when English feels scary and confidence feels far away. Many people start here. You are not alone. On day one, English feels heavy. Your tongue feels slow. Your mind feels empty. You are afraid of mistakes, afraid of laughing faces, afraid of sounding stupid. In the beginning, the dream is simple. You want to speak. You want to be understood. You want to feel confident. But reality feels different. You watch others speak English easily. They talk fast. They smile. They look free. And you feel small. You feel behind. You ask yourself a painful question. Why is English so hard for me? This is where the struggle lives. Inside your head. Every time you try to speak, fear stops you. Fear says, wait. Fear says, not now. Fear says, you are not ready. Days pass. Weeks pass. You keep learning in silence. You listen more than you speak. You understand more than you show. And slowly, frustration grows. You practice alone. In your room. In your mind. You speak softly. You stop quickly. You correct yourself again and again. It feels like walking with heavy shoes. But then something happens. Something small. Something quiet. But powerful. One day you say a sentence. A very simple sentence. Maybe it is not perfect, but it is real. And nothing bad happens. No one laughs. No one shouts. The world does not end. This is where everything changes. You feel it inside. A small spark. A tiny voice saying, maybe I can do this. The fear is still there. But now hope is also there. And hope is stronger than fear. You start speaking more. Slowly. Carefully. One sentence at a time. You make mistakes. Many mistakes. But you keep going. Some days are hard. Your words break. Your sentences stop. You feel tired. You feel embarrassed. But then you remember. Every speaker started like this. Every confident voice was once shaking. Every fluent speaker was once silent. This thought changes everything. You stop waiting for perfection. You stop hiding. You decide to speak from day one. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Today. This is the turning point. You speak even when your voice shakes. You speak even when your grammar is wrong. You speak because your message matters. And then comes the moment. The peak moment. One day you speak. And you do not stop. The words flow. Your mind is calm. Your heart is strong. You hear yourself speaking English. Real English. Clear English. And you realize something deep. You were never bad at English. You were just afraid. This feeling is powerful. This feeling is freedom. From that day, you are different. English is no longer an enemy. It is a tool. A bridge. A new voice. You understand now. Confidence does not come after speaking well. Confidence comes from speaking anyway. This lesson is simple, but life-changing. If you are watching this story is yours. Your fear is normal. Your mistakes are normal. Your slow start is normal. But staying silent is not your future. Speak from day one. Speak with mistakes. Speak with courage. Because every word you say builds your confidence. Remember this. You do not need perfect English to start. You need courage to speak. And that courage is already inside you. If this story touched you, stay with us. Like the video. Subscribe for more confidence. And watch the next video. Because your English journey has just begun.